myself Roshan Singh from Pudukkottai. I have done my graduation in Mohambi College of Engineering. After that, I joined for the course in QSpider at the month of August. This institute was recommended by my brother. I am from civil department and I have not any knowledge about software testing before joining the institute. And QSpider is the overwhelming institute for those who want to work in a software company. The environment of the QSpiders is peaceful and to listen and very comfortable classes. The software testing was taught by Subham sir and I gained a lot of knowledge from him and I had admired his teaching and very understandable. They conduct mock and it's very helpful to crack the upcoming interviews. They trained well without any partial and I got a job in a very good company and I thank you for giving the opportunity to improve my career. Thanks to all QSpider staffs.